Yo. Yo, there's an error with Streamlabs. And it's when I port people over to come on the stream, Streamlabs software itself runs an error. I have to literally talk to Streamlabs and see what the fuck's causing that. Because it's every time somebody, like I port over Sean or Marie and they have an issue, that's what causes it. I don't know what's causing it on Streamlabs side, but they have like a debugging thing where I get like a report and I'm going to send them the report and see what the fuck's up. Because obviously there's some type of issue with Streamlabs itself. It's not my computer. I'm just not going to port them over until I figure this out, to be honest. If Sean and Marie here, I'm going to leave it off. I'm just going to leave it off. There's obviously a Streamlabs issue. I just copied the error code. Yeah, we back. Streamlabs itself has an issue. So no. What? How do you set? Wait. How is that possible? Was it like that this morning? Was it like that this morning or no? No, Sean, there's an issue. Every time I port you over, something happens with Streamlabs itself. I have to send Streamlabs the code and see what's going on. Oh. Anyone else see that issue? Yo, anybody else you can only do 720p? I don't even see where you see that. Oh, I see where you can see it. What if you do auto? What happens, John? Was it like that before, Sean? Like the first stream, was it like that? I gotta fucking chat GPT this. Has it always been like that? Has it always been like that, or is that something new? I think I found out how to change it, dude. I just found out what the issue is. Fuck. Yo. The crazy part is ChatGPT knows what computer I have, and it literally tells me all the shit that I need to do. My bad, guys. I assumed the beginning was going to be glitchy. Like the first like the first morning stream is going to be glitchy. It's just I'm starting everything over from the beginning. Did anyone grab that gold? I want my money back. Yo, I'm trying my best. Yo, anybody grab that gold long? Yo, I mean, I spent hours on it yesterday, John. I spent hours to get it up and get all the trading stuff up on it. And then obviously it missed you by a couple ticks. I'm going to see if I can flip another two. Damn, Sean. You're like done for the day? Dude, I'm going to, as soon as we're done at noon, I'm going to get on with Streamlabs support and see what I can do here. Afternoon stream, so I got to change the output scaled to 1920 by 1080. That's the word on the street. Come on. Come on. I just realized something. I have preset allocations, so no matter what, if I do 2 or 3, all the other accounts still get the same amount. I just realized that.
Order filled.
Come on, just give me a fucking... Come on, give me like...
Order filled.
Now sell through real fast and then back up. I'm gonna take in this fucking in one account, the one account that's down. Hold on, I'm grabbing.
Order filled. Order filled.
I just grabbed, so I'm in 6 micros in one account right now. I'm stopping out at 80. I'm TPing at 91 and 93. Yo, fuck those guys. What up, Mulatto? Yo, I saw you freaking halfway done on Lucid. Did you finish it up today? $60 away. What up, Nate? After this trade, I need to rework my copy trader. I should do it right this second. I just don't want to miss out. I gotta just add. One, two, three, four, five. Reconnect alpha over here. Three. Add this in for 4. And then I need to do I'm just looking to see what other accounts I need to do in. Come on, I'm just looking for a freaking quickie here. Can I get a quickie? Oh, come on. Done, Mulatto. Boom, passed it. Yo, you can get your funded account in like 5 minutes, dude. You know that, right?
Order filled.
Dude, I should pull this out of the copy trader, to be honest with you. I'm pulling this out. All right, I'm going to cancel this because if this sells through, it's probably going to go much lower, to be 100% honest with you. I am going to take this in a solo account probably.
Order filled. Order filled.
I'm not copy trading this, by the way. If it goes, it goes. If it doesn't, it doesn't. And then I'm going to add on a pop. If it goes, it goes. I'm not copy trading it, but I kind of feel like if it breaks down here, it's going to go pretty far fucking down. That's why I'm not copy trading. That's why I'm not. It's primed. It is.
Order filled.
But this is where I don't think we're getting the bounce here, but you got the 50%, you got VWAP, like here's the 50. It's not even fucking giving it a little bounce. No. If this fails, I'm going to want to see it. It's going to need to come down a bunch for me. Not a bunch. What was that? $10? What was that 71? I would take this trade again, even if it gets stopped out. Just throwing it out there. Like, I have no complaints if I get stopped out here. I'm not going to be like, oh my God. Like, that was the trade for me. You got VWAP here. You got the 50% on the larger time frame here. But I didn't copy trade it a second time because I felt like if it blew through here, we were going to sell through. So that's why I didn't copy trade all these accounts. I grabbed, I think, 2 accounts and did it. It's just, I'm just getting out of the freaking positions. Actually, in 3 accounts.
Order filled.
This is the only one I'm leaving in. Yeah, I mean, I'm going to target, oh shit. I'm going to probably target like 71. Listen, if it goes, it goes. Great. But I think the move for me is to, it's just getting sloppy. NQ's choppy as hell too. Look at this thing. What's going on here? Yeah, stopped. Exit. Make sure I'm not in. This is the main account. All right. Damn. I'm just going to leave my orders in. We'll see if we get hit. That's where my orders are at. What up, Dream? Yeah, NVIDIA earnings today. Yeah. Hell yeah. I'm going to be smashing that shit. Today after hours. Dude, this thing is just chopping. What up, Kevin? Gold looks like dog shit. Gold looks like it's going to come down and get us. Is anyone, just before I do it, is anyone interested in me actually setting up AI to do stock and options and alert in the Discord or not? Is that something anybody actually cares about? Or if you don't care about it, it would just, I'm not going to do it then, obviously. Yeah. All right. No problem. I was just kind of curious before I do it. Only futures for you? No problem. I just want to know. I'm going to do a futures one. I'll make like a separate chat and I'll see. It's for educational purposes only. Just remember that. I don't want to hear that you spent grandma's QVC money on whatever it said. So I don't want to hear anything.
Order filled.
Holy fuck. That's pretty extended from
Order filled.
I don't know what just got fucking filled. That's pretty fucking extended from the 9. The 9 is all the way up $7 above.
Order filled.
I honestly don't know what just fucking filled. I think it's MNQ at 29,000. I bought, and that was that old ass order I forgot to cancel. How's that sound? Come on, dude. Fucking pump me up.
Order filled. Order filled.
Motherfucker! Oh, jeez. I could have retired grandma. Bro. What the fuck was it? Oh, I'm going to go through all of these to see where it was. Bro, that was the sweep of the orb and back up. That was fucking clean. It was too bad I was playing gold. Oh, here it is. Look. I did it in this account. 241 and two, what was that? 450. Yo, that's the sweep, man. I take that all day, every day on NQ. Yo, isn't it so nice you can now see all the fucking green on the screen? Look at my green. Look at it. Look at the green. Bam. I just got to readjust a couple things here. Just look at it. Bro, I'm telling you, man. Fuck. Dude, I messed up because I was doing pooled pre-allocation. Bro, that's crazy. So glad I held on to that one. Dude, are you shitting me? That was so fucking clean. Yo, I'm gonna bring up the juice, baby. Uh, I don't know my fucking password. Yo, there's there's something that happened. Hold on. There's juice news. The next round of negotiations will be held in Islamabad. The Pakistani army leader may visit Iran tomorrow to announce the final version of the agreement. You know, we're going to bomb Iran, but I really think they want to make a deal. Now I got the juice up. Man, that's annoying me that it's not on the higher fucking thing. Yo, what up, Van? Yo, yo, all serious, Cove. How do I tell lose 100? Yo, it's so easy to lose $100, mulatto. Go on MNQ, go to like 5 micros and just do buy, sell, and you'll just fucking lose it. Bro, who caught the bottom on gold? I'm so glad I sold out right there like a fucking loser. Bro, I could have... I think we're going to start doing... So see how, like, this is the full move? When I get down to the full move ones, I think I'm going to risk... probably 3 micros and just go to break even. I'm going to buy an extra 3. So I would have bought... I probably wouldn't have got fully filled, but I would have bought like 3 there, probably 3 here, and then 3 here. And one of the 3s, I just leave it down where I would get stopped out at. And if we start to go, I just go to break even and just fucking hold it. Too many times. I mean, that's $1,000. Like, don't get me wrong. I'm obviously up a fucking nice bag today. But, you know. You know what I'm saying. You know. You know why. Yo, you're on gold? Gold. Yo, gold's the best, man. Gold's literally the best. I don't care what anyone says. Yo, Sean, I'm telling you, man, there's something with that when I patch you guys in, it fucks up Streamlabs. I'm going to try setting up OBS. Bro, this computer is so freaking crazy, Coop. I'm running all these programs on my computer at once with all these tabs open and all this shit, my CPU usage is 5%. Dude, it's so crazy. Now what's nice is you can see all the greens. I don't have to fucking copy and paste a screenshot anymore. It just stays there. I just tell people, look at these greens. Look at them. Right? Because, like, you know, there's people that are coming on the stream that are new and they don't know. So it's just nice to be able to be like, it's nice to just be like, oh, look, here, I'm up. Like, I'm not an off stream fucking guy. We're not doing it off stream.
Order filled.
Dude, this is moving around so. I didn't even realize how big these candles are. Holy shit. That's like a 50-point candle right there.
Order filled.
I'm just trying to turn it green. Oh, are you kidding me? Look at that bullshit. How much? Yo, now I got. How much did I miss that by? Bro, what was that? That was one tick? That's some bullshit right there. That was one tick. I literally just got one ticked. Revenge trader right now? Who, you? Do not revenge trade. Do not revenge trade. Yeah, TPT does. They all do. Yo, what's up, deuces? Bro, I didn't even realize I have another Tradeify funded account. I just activated it. I didn't even know I had that funded account waiting to be activated. My bad. Humble brag. Yo, I forgot that I passed it. I forgot that I passed it. I'll wait to activate it. I'll wait. Bro, gold just literally. Yo, tell me this shit doesn't work. I mean, maybe my trading style is not for everybody. I'm with you on that. But it definitely stacks gains. Man, I wish I just fucking held some. Oh, I'm going to ask in the, hold on one second. We're going to do a poll real fast. Um, uh, crude oil inventories came out. Dude, last time, it just ran last time, to be honest with you. When we had NVIDIA earnings, I think we just ran into the earnings. Remember NVIDIA did that weird shit? Remember NVIDIA did that weird thing? Yeah, the thing is, everyone knows they're going to have great earnings. Like everyone is fucking using them. Everyone's using them. Companies grow. Holy shit! This gold trade was crazy. I mean, honestly, you're probably gonna end up playing something like that. I think the earnings are gonna be good. It's just, it's just everything else. It's crazy that gold pumped that much. Like fucking gold. I'm guessing the dollar moved probably big time. Oh, I think if, oh man, it's sitting right here on the IB. I'd love it to come down to 70. I don't know if it will. It might turn around right here at the 9 and go back up. That's probably an ES orb to the downside. It's probably took a short, is what I would guess that was. I think it's just going to keep grinding. I think on the next dip, I just grab and hold. The problem is this has trailing drawdown, so I probably can't in these accounts. But I think it's going to grind into NVIDIA earnings, probably. I think that's what it did last time. Yeah, I think that's probably what I'm looking for. Without discipline, smash the old like button. Yeah, I just want to see what people are interested in. I'm going to set up that Claude shit, not Ninja Trader Claude thing later on. Come on. No. Come on. Let's go, NQ. Come down and get my order. Yeah, but if you look, you literally had the sweep of the IB. I mean, that obviously worked. Come on, come down to. It would look real. Oh, it actually did test that. Come on. No. No. Yeah. Dude, they all copied me. I'm the one who brought duck races to the prop firm space like 2 years ago. And then once I did it, everyone does it now. They should fucking have to pay me royalties. Tell you what, nobody has Camel Toe Tuesday and Motorboating Monday and Ballsack Fridays. If someone starts doing that shit, but yeah, you can go back on anyone's stream. I started doing it, I think it was 2024, and then everybody was like, yeah, man, yeah, let me just copy him because I have no thought of my own on how to do a giveaway. No one even knew about that race site until I fucking brought it over here. That guy who owns that website should be fucking thanking me. On Christmas, he should send me a big box of chocolates. Dude, so many people use that website because of me. Yeah. Anytime you see anyone do races on there, just be like, yo, you got that from Cove. It's crazy. No one has a thought of their own of just being like, hey, how can I do a giveaway that's different? I don't know. Listen, people know. There's a lot of different ways you could do it. I have other ideas. Cool random things like the wheel is stupid. People that do the wheel. I did one also that was pretty awesome that nobody does. So basically, everybody that submits, their name goes on cards, right? And you click the button, and when the name is pulled out, you're out. So it's the last person that's left, which was cool. I've done that a couple times. Last person standing gets the account. So there is no multiple duck races. It's everyone goes in, and I just keep pulling the names out, and it's the last one. People like that. It just takes a little bit longer. Man, I'm just watching this shit. I'm looking at financial juice. Yo, Trump says the Israel's prime minister will do whatever I want him to do. Trump, we will work with the Taiwan problem. Dude, this shit's so funny. Some of the freaking comments are like ridiculous. You know what it is? We use their country as a base over there. If Israel isn't there, where can we do whatever we want? That's our Middle East, that's what it is. Where would we keep all this stuff in the Middle East if we didn't have Israel? Man, oh man, oh man. Come on. I just had a hold. I just had to fucking hold. Look at my lonely little order there. That'd been crazy. I would have hit consistency on some of this shit though. I would have had to like fucking exit. I was just thinking about that now, actually. So this is a funded account. They do that weird thing that it counts trading days, has to be 23% of your largest trading day. So if I make $1,000 in this account today, every day after that has to be at least $230 for me to count as a trading day. So what I think I'm going to do is to keep my trading days low, I might just pull that out of the fucking copier. I just pulled that out of the copier, to be honest with you. I don't want to have an issue where for every 3 contracts you see, I'm trading 7 or 8 in there. I just don't want an issue where I do $1,500 and then I got a big fucking problem. Yo, you activated it? Are you activated? Oh, that's an old ass account. Oh, that's an old account. I don't know that that's still in there. What was I looking at? Hold on one second. What account is that though? It has a 6-8. Oh, that's it. I got it. Inflation outlook is moving towards the adverse scenario. NVIDIA earnings is going to be at, I'll tell you right now, earnings whisperer. Yo, I'll be honest with you, options on NVIDIA earnings, most of the time you get crushed. Just being honest. They say it's at 420. I'm just keeping it real. It usually doesn't move that much. Nah, man. I'm with you, dude. TJ, I feel you. Dude, hold on. My alarm is fucking beeping. Hold on a second. I'm going to explain my thoughts on it. Yo, so here's my thoughts on that shit. I think they had to make changes. I think they lost a lot of money on those other accounts, and they needed to change it. I'm going to 7-Eleven to use code Cove Trader, buy a lotto ticket. I miss slamming those accounts too, because Apex was known for those accounts. $19, smash it. $120 activation fee. I think they just got killed too many times. I think they got killed on gold and silver, and that was the end. You know what I'm saying? Trump on Cuba. America will not tolerate a rogue state with hostile foreign military intelligence and terror operations just 90 miles from the U.S. 10 minis on the 50K, baby. Yo, I remember those days. Yo, 15 points is all you needed. They also stopped that. They lowered it, so you can't just YOLO really for a pass. You know how easy it was to get 15 points on a fucking NVIDIA news release? Bro, you could pass. I remember one day I passed 14 of them. They stopped that shit, man. Yeah, they stopped that shit. Dude, I remember that. Oh, man. Man, I wish I held that gold trade. I know. Dude, you and me both. I was also in it in fucking... Dude, you know how many accounts I was copy trading? No, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Bro, I might have helicoptered on the stream for 17 accounts. I'm probably going to take a long here and hold it. Yo, what up, Cam?
Order filled.
I just think this thing runs into NVIDIA earnings. I'd like it to come back down like 30 points and I can add. Damn, bro, you would have went way past it. You would have been way, way past it. So for my next project, oh my God, it's almost fucking even. No, Kyle, you got to do half in a day. You could basically do it in 2 days, and then flip the other 3. Yeah. You could do it. You could pass in 2 days. I'm going to add to this position, just an FYI. You know what this doesn't have on it? There. Shows the P&L on the price line.
Order filled.
Where do I need to go to pass?
Order filled.
Dude, I'm just going to ride this one. I just feel like they're going to just bring it up. Dude, gold is fucking ripping. I'm thinking real fast. Probably don't even need to go this high to pass. Probably don't even need to go that high to pass. Listen, if you're up already, take the fucking money. You know what I mean? If you're up, take your money. It's up. It's up. Take your money. You're up about 20 points. Take your money. Don't hold it because I'm holding it. You know what I'm saying? Don't do that. Don't freaking hold because I'm holding. I don't actually know where we need to get away from these highs. We need to trade up towards 300 is what we need. We need to get away from these highs. Yo, if you like it, take it. If you like it, take it. Don't fucking hold because I'm holding. Do not hold because I'm holding. But smash the fucking confetti if you're in. Come on. Move your stops up. I will move my stops up. That's what I will do. How's that sound? Holy bro, what the fuck was that? Are you shitting me? Bro, that just went from 80 That just dropped 40 points in a split second. What the absolute fuck was that? I literally just got bottom tipped. What? I literally just, look at what just happened. No way that just happened. Dude. How? How? I'm literally the bottom. I don't even know how that's physically possible. How the fuck did that just happen? Oh my God. Oh, I think we're going to trade up. I'm still processing what just happened. I'm trying to process what just happened to me. Man, I know it's going to keep going.
Order filled.
Whatever. I'm fucking in it in this account. I got no stops, and we're just going to go. No, I'm not. I can't even put a stop in. I've been fucking bottom ticked. I can't believe I was fucking bottom ticked 35 points ago. I mean, I think we're going to go into the 350s. I definitely agree with that. You don't trust them? Probably. I'm so frustrated at what just happened here, Sean. This is my hold for NVIDIA earnings account. This gets down to like 400 left. I'll just use it for NVIDIA earnings. I can't believe that shit, though. Unbelievable. I should just sell out and just save this for NVIDIA earnings. The whole thing got messed up, to be honest. I'm just going to sell out. My whole fucking thing got fucked up when they sold me out. I bought it. I had to buy $20 higher. Well, if I get stopped, this is the YOLO account. If I don't get stopped, whatever. I have a feeling I'm going to get stopped. I have a feeling it's going to come all the way down. Yo, I should be like break even right now. It says down $600. So stupid. Goes to show you just take your profits also, especially in a trailing account. In the trailing account, should have definitely have just taken my fucking profits. But what am I going to do? Oh. See, that's that BPR I was talking about yesterday, where you get the overlap, and then it comes back and retests it. This looks like it's going to come down to like 24. Hope Trump don't fuck me. We cooking? I'm cooking. I'm trying to figure something out though. What did I break? On what? What did I break on what, Martin? What happened? What did I do? Not sure what happened. Oh, a take profit trader account is in my copy trader and it's saying it's on liquidation mode only. I don't even know. It's an account that won't get out of my system. Like it's stuck in the dashboard. I don't know what the deal is. I'm just going to look for a quick Flippy McFlipperson here. I took 2 micros in an account already. I took 2 micros in an account. I'm literally just trying to sell it back to the 9. If it goes, it goes. If it doesn't, it doesn't. I'm not copy trading it unless it comes further down. But if I can grab some money, it'd be nice. There you go. Quick 36 bucks. I did it in this account. Who got wrecked? I don't know. Who got wrecked today? Did you get wrecked, Zayback? I don't know, man. You? What'd you do? You should come on the stream earlier. Yo, how'd you get wrecked? Were you following Patrick? That'll get you wrecked. How'd you get wrecked? Could have easily been wrecked. Yo, this market's moving around crazy. Going long, got squeezed, holding. Dude, I'll be honest with you, man. That whole holding thing, it's just for the fucking. I don't know, man. Every time I try holding, and going down to 45. Every time I try holding, I get fucking wrecked. Every hold, I become a community member. Instead of getting in and out, I'm stuck and I become a community member on fucking whatever I'm doing. I'm so much better just taking my profits and leaving. Yo, ticked off. I don't like shorting the big run up because I always feel like it could keep going. Trump's talking right now to the Coast Guard. Yeah, like I missed out on that. I literally bought gold right here at the bottom. Like I missed out on all this massive move. Obviously, news came out, but like, you know, honestly, I don't even love this. The reason I don't love that, I'll be honest with you, is we're staying so close to the 9. If you finally do get some selling, it's probably going to sell all the way down to like $21. And this is like one of those, I need to see a deeper discount. I just think if it starts selling, you're going to at least see it go down to 19. What's the percent deviations off your 9? I have no idea what you're talking about. I just have the 9 EMA. What are you? I don't. Where do I see that? I don't even know where I see that at. 1%, 2, 3 envelopes. I don't have an envelope. What envelope? I don't have an envelope anywhere on here. Dude, not it. Oh, this is actually, I have the 8 up. This is it. It's all I use. I don't have Ninja Trader up. I'm not using Ninja Trader. I don't have a chart up on Ninja Trader at all. What's the indicator called that has the bull FVGs inside the bear? Oh, it's BPR. It's this one. It's just BPR by balanced price range by TFO. Bro.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Yo. Tell me that wasn't a straight fucking banger. Yo, I need $30 to pass this fucking account.
Order filled. Order filled.
Passed, motherfucker. Yo. Straight banger. Yeah, final stages of talks with Iran. Wow. Let me make sure I'm not copy trading this account. Fucking below it. Damn, homie. Yo, Zayback. Yo. I just want to make sure I don't have any. Look, I got open orders. Wow. Ah. Watch us. You fucking Zayback. Dude, that was crazy. I wonder if. Do I just take a. Do I just take a crude oil short and just fucking let it ride? Oh my God. Yo, you don't even want to know what I did. Fuck me. Bro. What? Holy shit bags. Oh no. You want to see something crazy? Watch this. You ready? You see my screen? Watch this. I'm going to hit a button and watch the amount that says realized. You ready? Did you just see that shit? You guys want to watch me lose a bunch of money? I'll show you the trade that I didn't even know I was in. I must have just missed getting fucking annihilated, to be honest with you. I was probably down about $3,000.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
No.
Order filled.
Bro, I need. Yo, Cove, why that sim ain't green? Which one? How much do I have to lose? Bro. A lot.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
I got to get the P&L to 4,500.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
I got to get this to 4,500. Yo.
Order filled. Order filled.
I need to lose like another fucking 1,000.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Note to self, guys. Don't.
Order filled. 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 Order filled.
Sir! Sir. Well, anyways. Bro, that was freaking crazy. Well, I stacked gains. Dude, imagine this was in a pro account. I forgot about it. Oh, baby. Actually, they would have canceled me for 10,000 in a day. Wow. Dude, that's crazy. From TGD profit, you're gonna activate my TO. What do you mean, Ripper? Is that my account? Is that an account that I have? Bro, today was freaking awesome. Oh, yeah. Just keep fucking stacking. I mean, all this shit is done. Well, except for that one big trade. Everything's done here. Like, if you guys are having struggles, you should ask in the chat, man. That's what this fucking chat's for. Ask. Ask questions, man. Like, the numbers are here. It's not like I'm doing it fucking off stream and then I come on for an hour and tell you about my gains I had while I was, by myself. It's pretty much done here. I mean, I'm not going to tell you about all this shit that's done off, because what does that do? Like, I never understood that. Hey guys, I made all this money and nobody saw me do it. Well, you didn't help anybody then. Who'd you help? You didn't help anybody. You sat there and did it on your own. Like, cool. It doesn't really fucking help anybody. Like, the idea is to do it in the community and give back to the community, and the community wins. Or at least that's how I see it. You know what I mean? I don't want to hear about your wins that you did on your own where nobody saw it. There's people that do it that way, and that's the right way to do it. There's a handful of people that you see it done. I don't want to hear that, you made it off stream, that you mastered gold and silver, and then you never make any money on. Let me make sure I'm not fucking copy trading that account, actually. No. Okay, cool. All seriousness, I kind of want to see this like come down. Like, you might be able to get a bounce right here, but this is all news driven. Like, this is all news driven. I don't love these retracements because this can easily just continue to sell off. I have 3 months holiday. I will start my live today. Start trading, man. I mean, it's sitting right there where you'd want it. I don't like these news retracements, to be honest with you. I would take it in a shit eval. I really don't have a shit eval, to be honest with you. Here, maybe I take. We're starting to sell through, anyways. This is a NVIDIA account, by the way. $600 a drawdown, NVIDIA account. That's an NVIDIA account. I've been holding that one for a little bit. Here, this account. Here you go. Oh, yo, anybody new on the chat? Say what's up. Say what's up. Oh, just another day, another day. Dog, this is too much green. Well, now you can see it. I love now that everybody can just see it because it's been like this for like 3 weeks. So, and no one, I had to like take a fucking screenshot. Now I can sit here and everybody can just look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Just look at it. My goal is to build up Apex back to like 10, 15 funded accounts now that they activated gold. And my idea is not to blow accounts. So like my big thing is obviously like, if I wanted to, I could churn and burn accounts, right? I could just lever up. Every time you see me buy 3 micros, I could buy a mini and we could just churn and burn and whatever. But like the people that are watching you, they're not going to be able to, I don't want to say follow, but like it's not realistic, right? So I don't want to be turning and burning accounts. I actually don't want to lose any accounts. So I kind of go this route to be more realistic about it. And that's why I play like 3 micros. Balls? What's the issue? I think this is going to come down. I just want to see this for a second. I was wondering where this red line is, to be honest. This red line is at 38. Don't ignore the balls. At lunchtime, I'm going to try to set up Claude to Ninja Trader and start with that process. I started it, but I'm going to continue it. I'm going to eat my lunch here, and I want to do that while I'm. That's on my list. I'm also going to set this for the better performance. Yo, definitely don't know what he's talking about. No idea what he's talking about. Trump now says we'll see what happens with Iran. Bro, this fucking guy. Damn it. It bounced off. Still don't. Yeah, I mean, listen, I think it's part of it is he's playing the game. You got to remember, oil could have gotten out of control at some point, right? And he's talking this shit, and every time he does, it drops oil. Like oil went down to what, $97? So he's just talking this to keep the markets, the oil market down. Even if it's a lie, it keeps the oil market down. I think that's why he's doing it. He's playing the game. I mean, it's smart. I mean, we know he's lying, but it's smart trying to keep oil down. He's basically playing with the markets. I mean, probably, Coop. So is Pelosi and all the other fucking everybody else in Congress. You know, Pelosi was the #1 stock trader for fucking ages, beating out everyone's returns. What are you going to do? Pelosi's husband is trading. Pelosi's husband's trading about stuff that Nancy is fucking voting on. But they don't talk about it, so it's okay. Yeah, we believe that. It's all corrupt. Yeah, well, you know what? If I was him, I would do the same thing because they tried to take him down before he became president again with all this bullshit, whatever. And now he won and he's just shoving it in every one of their faces. That's what's happening. Yeah, I mean, I don't think Trump could sell his business. It's like a family, like, you know, all his kids were involved in it. Like, they're just not going to sell it. Listen, do I think he was the best president? No. I think he's a better alternative to Kamala and Biden. Like, if Biden decided to run, at first he did, like, that would have been awful. And I think Kamala would have been awful. So it's not like they really gave you much of a choice. Do I think he's the best? No. And I don't really care if it's Democrat or Republican, to be honest with you. I just look for stability and I look for what the president is going to do. And that's where you're going to invest your money. Like Trump really cares about the stock market price. So you have to know that he's going to probably push this shit up no matter what. Yeah, helpful. I agree. I think that's why I think that Vance is going to win the next election. Obviously, he's much younger. The Democrats have nobody. They were talking about pushing AOC out. She doesn't appeal to anybody. Even the people in New York don't like her. Yeah, maybe I should have taken this. It really didn't bounce a ton. Yeah. I don't know, but they got to roll somebody out. They're not even building anybody up. So I don't know what's going to happen. Goes to show you, I should have just stuck with the strategy and bought. Whatever. See, that's what happens when you make a lot of money early. You become very picky on what you're going to take. You know, I didn't want to take this one. Did it work? Yeah, but because I'm up so much, I didn't really want to risk it. Yeah, they're all in cahoots. They're all doing it. You got all those Twitter accounts that follow them, which is freaking awesome. I think that shit's amazing. Anybody eating anything good for lunch? What you got for lunch? I don't even think I got freaking food in the house. They have Twitter accounts that follow all these Congress people. They have a Pelosi tracker account. Dude, there's a bunch of them. Let's see if I did. See what happens. I mean, if you guys aren't using this stuff, I don't watch what I just pull up. So here's some companies that they're buying in. But then you look at like the ones that no one's really talking about. You know, you got to look to see. Then you could sort it by market cap. Which ones are the smallest market? Are you missing something? I need to enter. What are you trying to enter? It says you're in. It might have just been delayed. I have a feeling that's going to be the last piece of news unless Iran says that they're not even talking to Trump. They're like, actually, we're not even talking to Trump. Always one account, man. There's always one account. Beats by Design. What's up, man? You don't say what's up? Damn. You guys know the rules. If you come in the chat and just put the code in without saying hi or something, it doesn't actually let you in. Dude. It's all misinformation. Hi or something. Hey man, it's a trading community. We want to, how are you doing today? What's up? It's a community. It's not just watch me trade. I want you to be part of it. Nowadays with all the satellite shit and whatnot, you would think that, what's up, Simone? That's what I think they are. They're bots. If you come in here and just put the code in and that's it, feels very body. Yo, just remember, we have FOMC minutes today at 2 o'clock and NVIDIA earnings after hours. You're on your gold account? Yeah, we have NVIDIA earnings today, though. So be on the lookout for that. I gotta redo the settings on the Streamlabs shit. I think the stream's gonna look even better at 2 o'clock. You got one. I think I got 2 accounts for NVIDIA. Let me just see what else I got. What the fuck are you up to? Me? Just hanging. Trying to make some more money. Just hanging around. I can't until I fix this. Until I fix this error on Streamlabs, I can't port Marie over. There's something that's happening, and I can't be here every day during lunch. So obviously Streamlabs has an error that comes up because I've been on this whole time. There's no issue. It's when I pull in Sean and Marie. Like yesterday, Sean did something on his computer, I guess. When he opened something up, it triggered Streamlabs, some type of error, and then that's what shut the stream down. So it's like one of those things. It's one of those things. So I just want to, iron it out. I don't want to be restarting the stream. Or worse, I'm not around and it just sits like black, for, an hour while it's on. Like that's not going to do any good. So I just got to see what the deal is. I got to let them run a virtual desktop on my machine. Well, they got to come on the Streamlabs thing. I give them a link to come on. Oh, yeah, but sometimes I want to use my computer. Like I want to be able to use my machine. I don't want to just give them it over to them to use. Yeah, I don't know. There's got to be a fix. Like it's got to be a real fix. I'm gonna try using OBS also. Get rid of Streamlabs. The problem is I don't know how to set up OBS. So I gotta watch, like I have it on my system, but I gotta watch a video on like how to actually do it. I'll fix it. I'll get it going. I just need time. I just need some time. I want to set up AI to Claude. I want to set up Claude to Ninja, and then my next thing will be OBS. Dude, I'm trying. Trying my best. I'm trying my best. Oh man. I know. I know I got shit I have to handle. If I don't do it during lunch, I will do it tonight. My babysitter or nanny, whatever you want to call her, is home from college. So now I don't have to. My kid, she helps out. So like I can now have a little more time at night to do this. Dude, gold just stopped. NQ is probably going to work itself back up to 94, by the way. Gold might do the same. I'm going to take a little gold play. I'm in gold with 3 micros, by the way. I took it in my Bullnuts account. I'll take it in this account, I guess, so everyone can see
Order
it.
filled.
Yo, Cove and the college nanny. Bro. It's nice, though, because it's just helps out a little bit. Come on. 3rd couch interview. Dude, that one nanny, that one I hired a while ago, I think it was about a year ago this time, dude. My wife came home and this girl was in thigh highs with a short skirt with like a backless shirt. And my wife was like, she's done. My wife was like, she's done. I was like, she showed up in the morning and I was like, what the fuck are you wearing? And then she dropped my kids off at school and everyone saw. I was getting text messages from people asking me who that was dropping my kids off. This dropped. Yo, literally, dads I know were texting me being like, bro, who was that dropping your kids off? I was like, I know, man. I know. Trump just said, do we finish Iran up or will they sign? Let's see. Am I mad? I am the furthest thing from mad, Amar. To be honest with you, one, I didn't copy trade it. I used one eval. As you can see right here, it was one eval. I normally trade 16 at a time. And out of those 16, there's like 5 funded accounts in there, 6 funded accounts. So like one eval, I don't care if I blow this whole fucking account, to be honest with you. Losing a trade is, listen, if you're hitting 60% of your trades, you're probably doing really well. It means you're losing 4 out of 10 times. I'm perfectly fine losing. Honestly, don't even think about it. Fucking don't. It's like not even a. It's not even a thing because I then have to just focus on where's the level that I want to take. Maybe get in again, and where's the level I want to take a serious shot on this. Like my serious shot would probably be down here. Will I take a shot? Probably at 26. Yeah, because you held 26 with these candles, and it's the 786 from here. I probably take a shot at 70 at 527 in that account. You got to remember also, man. Like I played baseball. If you failed 7 out of 10 times, you were fucking awesome. I'm the furthest thing, like I don't know what you guys do like outside of trading and whatnot, but like playing sports definitely helped me out with a lot of this because you're going to win, you're going to lose. And as soon as that event is done, you could either celebrate for a little bit or be down a little bit. But like, you're always looking at, all right, when's the next thing? When's the next time we're going to compete? And I look at that as like, all right, when's the next time I'm going to compete with this market? I just lost. When's the next time I'm going to compete with this thing? I'm probably going to take a little trade here. Got to remember, I also know NVIDIA earnings is tonight. Worst comes to worst, this account loses another $1,000 and I light it up on NVIDIA earnings. But, I just look for the next place that I think we're going to bounce on. I'm not worried about anything else. I like the fact if I get filled here because there's going to be a huge gap between where I bought and the 9, right? Now, if we start coming down slowly, I'm probably not going to feel as great. But I feel like NQ is going to end up seeing this news wick, by the way. But this whole game is mental. Like if you start, I said it yesterday, how many accounts have you blown where you didn't revenge trade, you only followed your strategy, and you sized appropriately? Like to me, I lost $147. I hit it. One trade makes it back. I'm going to ruin my day over $147 in an eval or even a funded account. You got the drawdown for a reason. I'm losing 40%. Why are you losing 40% of your account in one trade? That's a better question. You're obviously not sized appropriately. You are 3 wins at any point. You are not wins. At any point, you're 3 losses away from blowing your account. because down 40, I'm guessing you're sizing the same. It'd be another 40 and then you're out. So, 40% of the time, are you sizing appropriately? Are you in massive? Like, how many contracts are you buying in what size account? If you're playing minis on a 50K account, you're going to end up, you got to think, if you lose 40% of the time, you can easily lose twice in a row, sometimes 3 times in a row. So you got to be able to withstand those losses. Yeah. If you're doing like I probably wouldn't do 10 MQs. I would go to 3 to 5. 3, if you're going to buy twice, I buy 3 and then another 3. So you'd go between 3 and 6. And I bet you see a huge difference in your trading. Yeah, so if you have 10 MQs and you're at 40 points, that's $800. You're 3 losses away from losing the account. At 50 points, you're 2 losses and the account's gone. I would lower to go to 3. What up, Michael? I would go between 3 and 6 micros at most. And I bet you your whole trading turns around. As long as your strategy is halfway decent. Try it. Try it for a week. Go to 3 to 6 micros. I bet you shit changes. All right, guys. Just remember, FOMC minutes are at 2 o'clock. You can't be trading funded accounts. Sometimes it's 1 minute before, some are 2 minutes before. But I am going to get some food. I'll be back at 2 p.m. I'm going to fix some shit on the stream. All right. I'll see you guys then. Remember, don't trade at lunch. Your portfolio could take a punch.